Sacred Heart High School, Nalasopara West, Standard 1st, Subject English, Topic Rain. Hello students, today you are going to learn the poem Rain. First, I am going to read this poem. All of you listen carefully. Rain. The rain is falling all around. It falls on the field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. This poem is written by Robert Stevenson. Now I am going to explain you this poem. The rain is falling all around. The poet says that the rain is falling everywhere. That is, it falls on the houses, on the ground, on the animals, birds, and humans. It falls on field and tree. The poet says that the rain is also falling on the fields and trees. It rains on the umbrellas here. The poet says that the rain falls on the umbrellas and on the ships at sea. The poet says that the rain falls on the ships, the boats, and everywhere in the sea. So students, today you learn the poem Rain. Now I am going to read these hard words. All of you listen carefully. Hard words: R-A-I-N, rain. F-A-L-L-I-N-G, falling. A-R-O-U-N-D, around. F-I-E-L-D, field. T-R-E-E, tree. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. S-H-I-P, ship. S-E-A, So students, today you learn the poem Rain. Thank you.